Punishment. A consequence for doing something wrong. He got a punishment for lying. The teacher gave him a punishment. Arrest. When the police take someone because they did something wrong. The police arrest the thief. He was arrested last night. Naughty. Badly behaved or not following rules. The boy is naughty. His naughty tricks made us laugh. Bath. Washing your body in water. He takes a bath every night. He enjoys a hot bath. Polite. Being kind and showing good manners. She is very polite to everyone. The waiter was polite and friendly. Noise. A loud or unpleasant sound. Please stop making noise. The car made a loud noise. Careful. To do something with caution. She is careful when crossing the road. Be careful with the hot tea. Proud. Feeling happy about something you did or about someone you care about. She is proud of her work. I feel proud of my brother. Obey. To follow rules or listen to someone in charge. Children should obey their parents. You must obey the traffic rules while driving. Exit. To go out or leave a place. Please exit through the main door. He exited the room without saying anything.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!